Hi, this is Tony Manso, author of the Forex Set and Forget Automated Trading Robot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to virtually eliminate risk and protect all your gains by using one of the included scripts that comes with the Forex Set and Forget Automated Trading Robot when you order it. Hang on, let me plot some moving averages here so you can see. Here's 30, and let's do orange 2. Just so if you're familiar with the Forex Set and Forget, these moving averages will make a lot of sense to you. And as you can see right here at this level, that was the signal, and then this right here was the entry where the green line is. So now we have our moving averages plotted, and you can see here this green line represents the open price of all the trades. There's 10 trades here. Each of these red lines represents a separate trade, which is part of what I call a virtual trade. And there's 10 of them open, and they all have different take profit levels, but they're all open at this exact price here, and they all have a stop loss set to here. So even though this trade is in profit by some 30 pips, there is a possibility that the trade can turn against me and go all the way, the price can go all the way back down to my stop loss and lose me money even though I was already in profit for a while. So how do we solve that? We use a script called Set All Stop in Chart. Now you click, in order to use it, what you need to do is you click it and you hold down the mouse button and drag all the way up to the green line. I would tend to do it just a pixel or two above the green line. So let's do it there. And when you let go, all of your stop loss will be moved to that level. Okay, if you'll notice now, all the stop prices are actually slightly above the green line that represents the open price. So what's going to happen now? Let's say the price over, let's go back over here, and let's say this price goes all the way back down and hits my stop loss, which has been moved up quite a bit. I don't lose anything. In fact, I still gain a few pips. So this will still be a profitable trade even if the trade goes against me. But what I've done is I've protected myself from loss. So a loss is impossible at this point. So here's what I do. I have my MT4 MetaTrader set up so that it sends me emails whenever Forex Set and Forget places a trade. So then I know, okay, it's placed a trade. So then I periodically check my chart to see if a pending order becomes a buy or a sell order. And I'll wait and see if the price gets halfway between the open price, like here, and the first take profit level. And if it does, I go here, I use my Set All Stop in Chart, and I drag to the open price, and that locks out any loss. Sometimes that's not always going to happen. So sometimes what's going to happen is the thing's going to get in, and then the price is going to immediately turn around and go the other way. And that generally happens when you're at a support or resistance level, and the price is not ready to break through those levels yet. So what I've done is I've created a situation where I cannot lose on this trade. I might lose some of the gains that I've gotten, but I won't lose any money if the trade doesn't go in my favor. Now, as soon as the trade does go up to this first take profit level, all these stops will be moved halfway in between to lock in at least half of that. So in this case, it would be 30 pips it was locking in on 10 open trades, which is the equivalent of 300 pips. And that's a nice little profit. You want to do something like that. If the price keeps going up, it'll hit the second take profit and the third take profit, and there'll be a trailing stop following it all the way up. And it's not likely to hit the top take profit, but you never know. It could happen, and I have seen it happen on the pound dollar and on the pound yen, where it hit all 10 take profits on just a wild ride up or down. So that's the end of my video, and I hope that this is informative and will help you to make the most of your Forex Set and Forget. And I'll be posting more videos as I get tips and stuff, more tips and more techniques and feedback from my customers. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.